Today marks the exciting reveal of Xiaomi's new flagship lineup, featuring 3 models. The standout, the Xiaomi 15, powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Here's what you need to know: massive 5400 mAh battery, thanks to silicon carbon tech. Enjoy longer battery life without a larger device. It's actually slightly smaller than its predecessor. Sleek design, measuring 152.3 x 71.2 x 8.08 millimeters. It's just a tad lighter at 191 grams. Plus, it's IP68 rated for dust. Vibrant display, a 6.36 flat OLED with 120 Hz refresh rate and peak brightness of 3200 nits. It also features the new ultrasonic fingerprint reader, 5050 MP camera system, enhanced low-light performance, and the ability to record 8000 video at 30 FPS. Perfect for capturing those stunning moments. Fast charging, supports 90W wired and 50W wireless charging. Plus, with the Xiaomi G1 battery management chip, expect longevity. Diamond and Custom Editions. The luxurious Diamond Edition features crocodile grain leather and a real diamond. The Custom Edition offers a palette of 20 colors for a personal touch. Pricing: 12GB 256GB, CNY 450630, 12GB 512GB, CNY 48016GB 1TB, CNY 5500 Diamond Edition, CNY 6000 Custom Edition, CNY 5000. Pre-orders start now in China, with official sales kicking off on. Which version are you excited about? Let us know in the comments.